Hello students, in this video we are going to simplify a nice radical problem. We have a square root of 25 over 5 minus square root of 24. Square root of 25 divided by 5 minus square root of 24. Here we will apply rationalization and multiply it by numerator and denominator by 5 plus square root of 24, and in denominator part is also multiplied by 5 plus square root of 24. Now in numerator, square root of 25 is multiplied by this 5, then you will get 125 plus, and 25 is multiplied by square root of 24, then this is 25 times square root of 24 and divide by, in denominator part if we apply a minus b times a plus b rule, we know that a minus b is multiplied by a plus b, this is equals to a square minus b square. Then this 5 is a and this square root of 24 is b, and this 5 is a and this square root of 24 is b. So this expression is 5 square minus square root of 24 square. Now square root of 125 plus 25 times square root of 24 and divide by 5 square is 25 minus square root is cancelled out by this square, then this is 24. And we know that 25 minus 24 is 1. So square root of 125 plus 25 times square root of 24. Now simplify this radical expression. Square root of 125 plus 25 times square root of 24. We know that a is same as square root of a square. So 25 is also same as square root of 25 square. So square root of 125 plus 25 is square root of 25 square root of 24, then square root of 125, and this expression is same as square root of 25 times 25 times 24. Now square root of 125 plus square root of 25 into 25 into 6 into 4, then this expression is 125 plus square root of 25 into 25 into, and this 6 is 3 into 2 into 4, then this expression is square root of 125 plus square root of 25 into 25 into 3 into 2 into 4, and this expression is square root of 125 plus square root of 25 into 25 into 3 into 2 times square root of 4, and we know that square root of 4 is 2 power 2, then this expression and this expression is cancelled out. So here square root of 125 plus 2 times square root of this 25 is multiplied by this 3, then you will get 75, and 25 is multiplied by this 2, then you will get 50. Then square root of, and 125 is same as 75 plus 50 plus 2 times square root of 75 times 50. Now square root of 75 is same as square root of 75 square plus 50 is same as square root of 50 square plus 2 times, and this expression is same as square root of 75 times square root of 50. Now here if we apply substitution and if we substitute square root of 75, this is equals to A, and square root of 50, this is equals to B. Then square root of A square plus B square plus 2 times AB, and this is square root of A plus B whole squared. And we know that value of A is square root of 75 and value of B is square root of 50. So square root of A is replaced by square root of 75 and B is replaced by square root of 50 whole squared. Square root is cancelled out by this square. Then you will get here square root of 75 plus square root of 50. Now square root of 75 plus square root of 50, and square root of 75 is same as 25 into 3 plus square root of 50 is same as 25 into 2, and this expression is 25 times square root of 3 plus, and this is same as square root of 25 times square root of 2. And we know that value of square root of 5 is 5 times square root of 3 plus value of square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 2. So this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.